right here.
You better tell me if you with me. I know the devil trying to stop me. Got these people out here wishing they could pop me. If they want me, come and get me. Man, I ain't scared of none of y'all. The only thing I fear the IRS and God. If you want me, go against me. Nah, they probably better think twice. Got angels over my head, war on my mind. If you want me, come and get me. Well, y'all might as well go ahead. I'm probably more of a threat to y'all when I'm dead, though. 24 years old, my mama brought me to the globe. She tried to tell me it was cold and taught me how to keep the code. Nah. She told me to go to school and get my education, but remember there's a bias to them books that they been making. Gave me soul on ice and taught me about the middle passage. Told me God ain't writing at this. More to life than rapping. I express my opinions, my faith and my views. If they wanna keep me quiet, tell them do it. You better tell me if you with me. I know the devil trying to stop me. Got these people out here wishing